Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, you decide to pick up the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and you want to protect your beautiful investment. Look no further. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Poetic Spartan case for the Z Fold 6. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for sending this case out to me for a review. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. It also helps the channel out too. But nice packaging. If you don't know Poetic, I mean, you haven't been around a lot, but simple packaging, bunch of P's everywhere, Poetic on the side. It has what it is. It says designed in the USA, Poetic Spartan, and this is the metallic gun color. It has some instructions, how to use the kickstand, how to close it. So it comes with a kickstand. I think it's a built-in screen protector. Yes, it has the built-in screen protector. I know how I feel about that, but again, give us the one without it. Oh, I like this color though. So it has the hinge protection with the pen support too, a pen holder. And the closers, Spartan there. It has like this felt material in the back. The kickstand feels sturdy. So now I do have a kickstand. I mean, I do have a screen protector. Hopefully it works friendly with mine. I do not want that one to come up. So you have a little strip here. Remove that. Then we're just going to place this bad boy on here. Make sure it's in there. All right, so you want to make sure you get that on there good. You can press down the adhesive strips here. You have the built-in screen protector. Now let's check out the back piece here. Now this case fits really snug against the frame of your phone. Again, when you get it, just make sure you have it on there good. And then bam, there you go. The volume rockers are like buttons you can press. The power button is there. I don't have a problem pressing it or using the fingerprint scanner. It's a little tight there, but not bad. The buttons are nice and tactile. Look how much lip protection you get around this whole thing. Even without the built-in screen protector, you have a lot of lip protection. You have a lot of camera protection on here. And even with my screen protector on, it's working fine. The pen holder here, I do have a pen somewhere. Let's check that out too. So again, it carries it. Let's see. There you go. So it will carry your pen and be able to protect your device. I mean, it does add bulk. Look how big that this is compared to your phone. So it does add a little bit of bulk to your phone. So just be aware of that. Bam, I like the feel of this. I like the look of it. Everything lines up at the bottom there. You have a lot of room for your charging port. Everything lines up at the top also too. You get that hinge protection, and it closes automatically too. Now, the one thing that people would complain about, it does cover up your main display there, or your cover display a little bit, but it does give you something to hold on to while you have your phone open. You get a lot of protection around the frame of the case too. I mean, the frame of the phone. So your power button is there, but you get a lot. You have extra grip here too. So which I think this is a heavy duty case. Again, if you drop your phone, you don't have to worry about breaking it because it will protect your beautiful fold from those drops. It adds a little bit of weight to it too. I mean, it's a big phone now. Not gonna lie, it's a heavy duty. It makes the phone weigh a little bit more and a little bit more bulky on the phone itself. But that's what you can expect when you're buying these type of cases. The kickstand works good. You can watch it like that. You can watch it like this. Let's see. You can also watch it like that. Can you watch it this way? So you really can't watch it like this. You have to watch it like that, which is not a big deal. I mean, who watches their phone like that anyway? Man. You want to watch it like this, you have to watch it that way. But the kickstand is sturdy too. It won't scratch up your beautiful hinge either because it goes, there's a lot of room there too. So it doesn't even get there. What y'all think? I'm enjoying this case. Can you wireless charge? Let's check out. Yes, you can wireless charge with it also. Not an issue. So if you want to pick up this case, look on Amazon. Look in the description. I will have the links there. You can get this case from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.